Welcome to Kraków Old Town, one of the most charming and well-preserved medieval city centers in Europe, surrounded by ancient walls and cobblestone streets. This place feels like a step back in time. Every corner here has a story, from Gothic churches to Renaissance buildings, cozy cafes to street performers. It's all alive with culture and history. This entire area is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and you'll see why the moment you start walking through it. At the heart of Old Town is Rynek Główny, the main market square, one of the largest medieval squares in Europe. It's been the center of life in Kraków for centuries. You'll find local markets, artists, musicians, and horse-drawn carriages adding to the lively, magical atmosphere.
And just across the square is St. Mary's Basilica, one of Krakow's most iconic landmarks. It has a unique story that locals still honor every single day, every hour. A trumpet melody known as the Hejnał Mariacki is played from the tallest tower of the basilica. But what's interesting is that the tune suddenly cuts off mid-note. That's no accident, it's a tribute.
Really nice audience. Thank you so much. Have a nice time in Kraków.